Hi, I'm Dave DETMER, District Sales Manager for Abicor Benzel. Today we're going to go over our automatic or machine mount MIG torches, both air-cooled and water-cooled. Let's start with our ABIMIG AUT air-cooled torch. This torch is rated from 220 amps up to 400 amps at a 60% duty cycle. Like many of our other torch lines, this torch has the capability to connect to any make or model feeder. Not only that, we do have the ability to rotate or remove the SWANNECks to add a different length, a different angle bend to make this a modular system. So if you need to change from a straight 180 neck to a 22-degree bend or something longer to reach a tight access area, this has the easy capability without removing the whole torch assembly. With the modular SWANNECks, we have the ability to use a neck liner, which makes neck changes and liner maintenance even easier. This torch body is made with high-impact plastic, which is extremely durable, but also acts as an insulator to isolate the internal current-carrying components from the exterior of the torch. We have cable supports on both ends, which reduce wear and fatigue and increase the life of the cable. Moving on to the ABIMIG AUT WT, this is a water-cooled 100% duty cycle torch rated at 450 amps up to 600 amps. The ABIMIG AUT WT has the same features and benefits as the ABIMIG AUT AT, neck liners, modular SWANNECks, universal rear connect, and robust construction. Both of these torch systems come with Abicor Benzel's long life consumables and pair greatly with the Abicor Benzel ABICAR system. Both of these torches are well suited for any industry where there are high demands and fixed automation. If your welding process has even higher demands, we have the AUT 750. This torch is rated at 800 amps, 100% duty cycle. It has dual water jackets and dual cooling channels, which can be ran in series or parallel. When running a cooling system in parallel, this torch has a 1,000 amp rating at 100% duty cycle. Its heavy-duty construction and efficient cooling leads to more arc-on time for your welding process. If you'd like to know more about the ABIMIG AUT series torches or try one for yourself, contact your local Abicor Benzel District Sales Manager or go to our website at benzel-abicor.com. I'm Dave DETMER. Thanks for watching.